Hello, just getting here just to do a tutorial on how to make the little wing. I'm getting ready for my party tonight. So, to start it, all you need to do is draw a line where the bottom of your eyeliner comes in, and just follow that line. And then if you're new with this or you're not comfortable free hand drawing, then you can just use something that you can just go like this and then basically just draw the line. So that's the first step. And make sure that you don't pull it or do anything like that, because if you pull it, then when it comes back, your skin's gonna have either break or it's just not gonna be looking as natural. It's not gonna look good. Okay. Then once you have that, you can go ahead and do that. So you can throw your eyeliner as normal. But the trick is, once you get closer here, you want to make sure, see how it's completely harsh break? You want to make sure to do almost like a V and connect, and then you fill it in. Fill it, and then just and just gonna complete here. And there you go. That's all you need to do. Alright, and if you just subscribe for any tips, I'll try to get here as often as I can, and follow my Instagram. I'll put it on the bio. Follow Instagram and Facebook page as well. And if you have any things that you want to learn, if I don't know, I'll just make sure to find out and put it in here. So that's it, and I'll do another one later. Bye.